Hey entrepreneurs, welcome to Digital Gigger. One way to increase viewership to your YouTube channel is by creating high quality content. This can be accomplished by researching what interests your viewers, writing scripts that are engaging and informative, and being consistent in post. Additionally, creating a compelling channel persona can help draw viewers in by remaining professional and adopting a friendly tone. You can also create a strong connection with your viewers. Since creating content for YouTube is so important, I wanted to share some things that I did to improve the quality of my YouTube channel. First, I watched a lot of other channels to see what worked and what didn't. Then I started focusing on creating high quality videos with interesting content. Finally, I began using tools to make my videos look more professional. Creating content is not easy. There are so many factors that go into the process. In this video, I'll break down how to create content that will help you grow your audience. You might not think about it, but making small changes to the way you create content for YouTube can make a world of difference. Here are some tips to get you started. Plan ahead. Don't just start recording without knowing what you want to say or show. Having a plan will help you keep your content concise and on topic. Use graphics or animations that can help break up the monotony video and keep viewers engaged. Use music wisely. Don't use copyrighted music without permission. It could get your video taken down. Instead, find royalty-free music or create your own soundtracks. Be interesting and engaging. This should go without saying. This will let us evaluate your resolve and your devotion to get through this. This is often the place in which people give up on their objectives with YouTube. Overthinking what you're going to create is a huge barrier to succeeding on YouTube. If you're thinking and planning but not taking action, no one is watching something you haven't created. So yes, you do have to give some thought to what you're going to present in your videos, but overthinking production is not necessary. What I mean is that you can create the talking parts and then work around that in the edit. Unless your channel is more on visuals like travel channels or product reviews, those types of channels do require more focus on the visuals. But for those who do tutorials or vlogging, getting your point across is the single most important work on in order to create your content. You need to find your flow, and by creating more content, you start to get into a flow. You start to understand what you're going to say in your videos, how to plan it out, and how to present yourself on camera. If you're attached to the outcome of how things are going to proceed, you'll be disappointed. Live in the moment, come up with an idea for your content, and start writing down points as to what you're going to talk about in your video. Once you have either an outline or you have written a script, it's time to start recording your talking portions. You can edit the video later on, but having the talking portion recorded is the toughest part of creating content. So as our friends on Think Media always say, just hit record. Once you have your content out there, you need to look at the data and figure out how your videos are doing. This will help you improve the next one, and you'll need to keep tweaking things and making marginal improvements as you go along. I like to test my videos, and where I may differ from some people is that once I test something, the data I get back, let's just talk about that content in terms of YouTube. The data I'm going to get back in engagement, comments, follows, subscribers, those kinds of things are ways to measure performance. They tell you the whole story. But they tell a story, and as long as you have data to back it up. However, even if the data is providing to unfavorable, you still need to focus on moving forward. Don't let that data hold you back from creating new content. But now you'll know what changes you need to make to get more favorable results in the future. The data extract allows me to look at the work and see how much I love this, as hard as I worked on this video content, and as much as I would like it to be enjoyed by others, the information indicates otherwise. So I'll modify my next piece of content based on the data points and create content that is going to be more aligned with my audience. I initially decided to take a look at it and bring it to a minimal point where I discovered what sweet spot, and each interactive cycle has given me more data, more measurements, and more information so that I can then decide how I'm going to move forward in the right direction, or if I'm moving in an incorrect way, what do I need to take steps to correct that? If you're looking for ways to improve your YouTube channel, don't forget about the little things. Making marginal improvements to your content will have a long-term impact on your growth. For example, make sure you always upload high-quality videos. Use good lighting, sound, and editing techniques. If you can't afford to hire a professional editor, there are plenty of free video editing software options available online. Also, be sure to create engaging, interesting content. Think about what your viewers want to see and what would engage them the most. Try not to copy other channels. Be original and find your own niche. Finally, always be active on social media and promote your videos as much as possible. Share them on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and anywhere else you think of. If you found value in today's video and have not already subscribed to the channel, hope you can hit the subscribe button, and if you give the video a like, that really helps us a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.